Welcome to Mindworks Library, a searchable database of all your favorite course materials. You'll see updates each time you complete a course. This is a screen of someone who has completed Level 3, Practice. Just click and play the content you'd like. For guided meditations, while a course may have a 10 or 15-minute meditation, here you can explore additional lengths so you can find the time that's right for you. Want to go solo? Click the meditation timer, choose your time, and go. Check out the sidebar in desktop or laptop mode. You can click on your favorite mind trainer to view all the content you've completed, or even review course materials from a particular level. There is also a search bar, so you can look for a word or phrase and show the results. In mobile view, you only see one post at a time, but you can still find shortcuts in the first post, Search the Library. This has the search bar and all the shortcuts that we saw already in the sidebar. One other feature you may like is the Daily Cup. You can access this through the top menu here. Just click and play. You can also refresh this page to get another Daily Cup. Remember, new content is available each time you complete a course. We hope you enjoy the Mindworks Library.